Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos. Today we are going to see how to clean the top loaded type washing machine. The brand what I am using, Samsung. Usually what we do, we clean the filters. We just take out the filters and we wash through using brush. We clean like this. But apart from this, there are another cleaning method which I am going to show you in this video. At first, let's see how to clean the normal filter. Just press the button and pull it out the filter and take it back to the sink. Okay, use the toothbrush or the brush whatever you have in your convenient. Okay, just put some water and just rub it all over the place. Also, if you want, use some fairy, which is a dishwashing liquid. You can use to make it very clear, so the dust everything in the tiny holes, it will be cleaned. So just to see the video how I am doing it. This is how I do it. I clean it every week at least, so that it will not accumulate any dust or any dirt in your clothes. If you are using much clothes in your washing machine, it's better to clean at least couple of days, every 2 days, every 3 days once. It depends on how much clothes you are utilizing. For us, for the normal family with 2 kids and 2 people adult, it's more enough for 1 week. Also, after finish that one, don't forget to clean it inside also there will be lot of dust accumulated inside, so use some tissue or wipes in your home to clean it properly. Now we will see how to clean the next level. Use some flat type screwdriver. Just to take the flat type screwdriver or tester, just press inside the tiny cap and pull it out. Just pull it out. You can see how dirt is it. There are a lot of dirt inside accumulated already. I will show you, just wait, I will show you very close now. You can see how much dust is that. After that, apply some water and then use the toothbrush so it can reach to the small edges and the tiny places, and use some tissue to just wipe it out all the dirts there over there completely, one by one, very slowly. And so be careful, some sharp edges may be hurt your hands. Once this cleaning is completed, just clean the cap in your sink area or where the pipes are there, water pipes are there. Clean well. After that, underneath the cap you can find a screw. It's required a spanner to unscrew it. I am using a adjustable spanner which is suggestible, because the regular spanner cannot enter into that place because we have some depth there. So just use the adjustable spanner and just start unscrewing it. While unscrewing it, make sure you are not damaging the head. Also, once the screw is become very loose, just use your hands to make the process very fast. Just to pull it up, once unscrewed, just to pull it up, you can see how much dirts are there inside. Once you see the downside, you can see how much dirts are there. I'm just applying some water and rubbing using the toothbrush again. If you have a little bit bigger brush, not much bigger, little bit bigger, it will be very useful. I have only toothbrush, so I used the toothbrush. Also, I used some tissues to just wipe it out the dust whatever I had inside. This all the dust, what will happen, it will be mixed up with the water whenever we are washing, and it will come out, it will deposit in the dress. Also, healthy is not healthy to have it like this. Also, I am using some dishwashing liquids. Just I am putting it, just rubbing all over the place, just to remove entire dirt whatever have inside. It's better to do this process at least every 6 months if your household is very small. If your household is very big and you are using continuously this washing machine, it's better to go with every 3 months cleaning the entire duff. So just apply some water. If you have a pressure jet hand shower is better to use it. I don't have it nearby, so I just use the some bowl juice just to apply the water very pressurely. Once that is completed, the base what we took it out also has some tiny holes and all. That is also will have lot of dust accumulation. Just clean it using the toothbrush. The best option toothbrush for this one because it has a tiny holes. Go to the area where you have a water pipe, so that through the pressure when you just rub it, it will go away very fast. It should be very clean when you do it. You can see how much dusters are coming inside from that one. It maybe how long I don't know. We cleaned 6 months before, now again we are cleaning. See how good is now. We cleaned completely. Now it's very clean and looks very nice. See how it looks. Once cleaning completed, put back the base. When you are putting, just make sure you are inserting properly into the screw downside what we have. Also tight using the same spanner and tight it properly. Also tight it very well so that it will not just rotate the base. If in case happen like that, the plastic will start touching the metal piece, then it will get damaged. Also put back the cap when is completed. Also put back the filter. The final and last step, just bring the some detergent liquid, put it inside and turn on the machine and let run the turbo mode, which is usually we are using frequently. Hope this is very helpful for you. Also for more videos, subscribe our channel. Also like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.